How to see deleted messages on Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Then, click on You at the bottom right corner of your screen, which will lead you to this page. In here, click on the gear icon at the top right. Then click on Data and Privacy. In here, scroll down and click on Request all of my data. After you do that, in here, select Messages. Then press on Request my data at the bottom. Now, you can press on OK as it shows Request Received, and it can take up to 30 days. After it's done, Discord will email you. When you open the mail, you will find all your messages of Discord. And this is how to see deleted messages on Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.